What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I'm going to show you a Dollar General breakdown using our $5 off of 25 digital coupon for this Saturday, April 18th. And in this breakdown, I'm going to show you how you can pick up your items for just 38 cents each. And this includes items like toilet paper, food items, and even some cleaning products. So if this is anything that you need, definitely keep watching. And now if at any point during this video you're noticing that you don't have the digital coupons for this deal, or maybe you've already used them in a prior week, if this is you, I would suggest creating another Dollar General account if you don't have one already. And if you're not sure how to create more than one Dollar General account, I'll have a video on that in the description box down below, which you can check out. And a quick reminder that this Dollar General 5 off a $25 coupon is only for Saturdays. So if you want to do this deal, make sure you get your butt to Dollar General on Saturday, April 18th. And if you are unable to make it to the store this Saturday, don't worry about it. Dollar General has this $5 off a 25 coupon almost every week. So we'll have another breakdown for next week and the week after. So hopefully you'll be able to go one of those weeks. Now, before we get into this breakdown, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and give this video a big like. Alright, so the first couple products for this breakdown are actually going to be glitch deals. And our first is actually going to be on the Head & Shoulders. So if you pick up two of the Head & Shoulders travel sizes, these are each priced at $2 each. And now go check in your Dollar General app and see if you have that $3 off of 2 digital coupon. And you'll notice in this coupon that it does say it excludes the travel sizes, which is what makes this a glitch, but it is attaching to these products. So go ahead and add 2 of these travel size Head & Shoulders to your cart and have that digital coupon clipped. The next item on our list is going to be the Gain dryer sheets or the Gain fabric softener, and this is also a glitch deal. So with this one, you want to pick up either the Gain dryer sheets 15 count or the Gain fabric softener, which can be found in the dollar aisle. These are each priced at $1 and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it completely free. Now we're going to pick up some Charmin toilet paper, and you want to pick up the Charmin Essential 6 roll. This is priced at $3.95, and there's a $1 off of 1 digital coupon in the Dollar General app. So clip this to your account and you'll be good to go. Now we're going to pick up some toothbrushes, and you guys want to get the Oral-B indicator toothbrush. You want to get the 2 count, which is priced at $3, and use your $2 off digital, making this just $1. We also have a digital coupon on some Skippy peanut butter for $1 off. So if you were to pick up the Skippy peanut butter 12 ounce priced at $2, that would make this just $1. And guys, this is like the tube of peanut butter, which is like half of the normal sized one. Now we're going to pick up a couple of the Renews It air fresheners. These are each priced at $1 each, and you want to pick up 2 of them. Now that you have 2 of these, go ahead and clip that $1 off digital to your account and you're good to go. You'll be able to pick up 2 of these for just $1 or 50 cents each. And remember that this is the price before we apply our 5 off of 25 coupon. Our next item's on the Airwick plug, and you want to make sure to get the Airwick warmer plug, and just the plug, not one with the oil in it. Just the plug is priced at $1.65, and there's a $1.50 off digital coupon, making the price for this just 15 cents. Next up, we have the Always Discreet liners, and you want to pick up between the 24 and the 26 count. This is priced at $3, and there's a $2 off digital coupon in your Dollar General app. So now we're going to get a CoverGirl eye product. You can pick up any CoverGirl eye product, just make sure it's priced at $4 and that this $3 off eye digital coupon is attaching to it. An example of what you can get is this brow pencil priced at $4, and if you use that $3 off digital, it'll make it just $1. And now this final item we have is actually optional, so if you didn't want to get it, you didn't have to, and that is the Lysol products. So if you want to pick up one of the Lysol products priced at $1 and use your 50-cent off digital coupon, making it just 50 cents. And there's a couple different items which you can pick up with this deal. You can either pick up the toilet bowl cleaner, the wipes, or the all-purpose cleaner, and I have those all pictured right here for you guys. And if you guys decide not to get this item, when I'm showing you the final breakdowns, just keep in mind that your total will just be 50 cents less than what I'm showing you. So now let's just take a quick look at all the products we should have, and that is 2 of the Head & Shoulders, 1 Gain dryer sheet or fabric softener, a Charmin Essential toilet paper 6 roll, a Skippy peanut butter 12 ounce, 1 2-pack of Oral-B indicator toothbrush, an Always Discreet liners 24 to 26 count, 2 Renews It air fresheners, 1 Airwick warmer plug, 1 Lysol product, and 1 CoverGirl eye product. Your subtotal for all of these items will be $25.60, but check out all these coupons which we're going to be using. We have that $3 off of CoverGirl, our 50-cent off Lysol, our $1.50 off Airwick, a $2 off of Always Discreet, a $1 off of Charmin, our $1 off of Skippy brand peanut butter, a $1 off of Renews It, $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders, $2 off of 1 Oral-B toothbrush, and a $1 off of Gain. Along with all these coupons, do not forget your 5 off of 25, which is the most important. So now that you have all your digital coupons clipped to your account, this is what our final breakdown will be. Your total cost, like I said, is $25.60, but we have $21 in coupons, making your final cost just $4.60 for 12 items or 38 cents each. So this is an amazing breakdown at Dollar General, what you can be doing. I mean, we're picking up toilet paper, cleaning products, food, makeup, so many items for just 38 cents each. You cannot find these deals at this price anywhere else but Dollar General. So if you guys want to do this deal, make sure you have these digital coupons and get on over to the store. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show me by giving a like down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and ring that bell so you never miss out on any of these deals. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.